These are green giant arborvitaes. Many times a real fast growing tree is not sturdy or strong when faced with adversity, such as a large snowfall. These are green giants that have been planted 12 years ago, and as you can see, they are exceptionally sturdy. They're almost 30 feet tall, and the green giants here have never broken off or bent over in the snow in those years. I would bet that if I had emerald green there, we would have lost them many times over with snow. Because we get a lot of snow at our property and the wind blows right towards these trees, we use them as a buffer for our house against the road. It makes an excellent buffer. We planted them 5 foot on center, and they grew about a foot to 2 foot, sometimes a little faster each year since we planted them. And you can get these at Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville. We're located near Doylestown in Bucks County, and you can call us for green giant arborvitaes at 215 651 8329.